Soumya and you're watching the Global Tales. Welcome back to my channel, and by the title itself you know that we are going to discuss one of my students' journey today. So you know that I have my own application, I have this YouTube channel, I have my Instagram. So there's so many results that we get, and with the diets and the challenges that we put on, and I'm so proud of each and every student who take the efforts to be regular, to be consistent with what I post and follow it and get the desired result for themselves. And that really brings motivation to me to put out the content. So yes, today also we are going to share a journey of Mehak. She is one of my students of Sweat Month challenge that I posted on GET Fit app, and the challenge went really well. People got some great results. I think she lost about 5 or 6 kgs in 1 month, but that was not really important. The important thing was that she had reduced TSH level, that thyroid got reduced and got regular periods and a lot more things. I'll put her own video sharing her journey, her experience, and then afterwards we are going to discuss some key points in her journey, some important things that can really matter in your weight loss journey to get the desired results. So I hope you will find this video really very useful. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and yes, because when you hit the subscribe button I'll get motivated to bring out more content for all of you. So yes, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon along. And yes, let's quickly get into her journey. First, see what was her journey about. I'll put out her video here, and yes, let's get started.
Hello, my name is Mehak and I started my Sweat Month challenge on 8th of February to 8th of March. I would like to say it was a wonderful experience. Firstly, I would like to thank Soumya. During lockdown last year, I was 75 kgs, and in lockdown in March, I got to know about Soumya's YouTube channel, and I must say my life was changed. I was 75 last year and I started doing diet from Soumya's challenge, and the first challenge I did was the 40 minutes walking challenge for 45 days. I saw some great results, and then I started doing the 7-day challenges which Soumya used to post. Along with that, I was taking a diet also, the one which Soumya used to prescribe at the last. Then I did the transformation challenge that Soumya posted on YouTube, and then I was doing exercise from the last 1 year totally, and in this January I got to know about the Sweat Month, and I was very excited because last year in November I lost my grandfather, so it was tough mentally and physically. I was not that active also. It took a toll on my mental health, so to be consistent, again I took the Sweat Month challenge, and I must say it was one of the best decisions of my life. Every day I used to work out the next day, but at 5 o'clock I used to see what we are going to do. So it was like रोज 5 बजे नई चीज़ मिलती थी, तो बहुत मज़ा आता था कि आज क्या होगा, आज क्या होगा, आज क्या होगा. And I have gotten some very good results. Now I am in size medium, and when I started the Sweat Month challenge I was 64, and now I am 58. Yes. And scale victories are not, I don't give scale victories a lot of value in my life, but my thyroid medication was at 150 mg and now it is 75. My PCOD system has reduced a lot. I stopped taking pills. I'm not taking pills now for my periods, and they are regular. So I would like to thank Soumya a lot for changing my life, and let's start the 40-day program now.
So yes, this was Mehak sharing her experience and her journey. The key role and the point here was that the most important thing that gave her the motivation to be regular for the entire month was that she was not focusing on the weighing scale that much. She was not focusing on the weight that much. She was just focused about that feeling that she get after doing workout every day, following the diet plan, be active. So at the end of the video, I'll share a sample diet plan of a day, how it is made, and how we make sure that people with the home-based food, with no dieting, no fasting, no starving, make sure that get the desired results. Their thyroid is in control, they get the regular periods. So yes, the key point here was the key point in our journey was that the weight loss was not that important. The important thing was to get regular periods, to get rid of PCOS, to get rid of thyroid, all these things. She really got she stopped taking pills. That's the most important thing, and that's why we are here today. So yes, it's just science. It's just the scientific explanation that when you have a caloric deficit, when you burn a lot of calories, and when you do it in a healthy manner, you lose weight. Just the basic science that goes in there. But when you do it in a systematic and organized manner, you can do it for a longer period of time, and you can retain that love for yourself. You can retain that healthy and fit body along with that weight loss journey. So yes, this was the most important thing here. She was consistent, she was hardworking, she was determined. Along with that, she really enjoyed this process of her weight loss journey, and that's the most important thing. So yes, the plan that I make on YouTube channel, or that I put on my GET Fit, all are just balanced in a way that you feel that you're not doing anything extra, you're just making some important lifestyle changes. For example, when we have any course on our GET Fit app, like the new one, the 8-week transformation, we put out daily challenges, we put out new workout videos every day. Like there is no one thing that you're doing every day, you're doing different things every day. And along with that, we have diet plans that are really home based, that we are not starving at all. There's a blend of all the food items, all Indian food items. Some people, like we have special South Indian plans also. So yes, all blended with the balanced meal, not only on my GT Fit app, all the things that I do on my YouTube channel, like for example the Fit Week with Somi, or 45 days challenge, or any other challenges that I come up, I make sure that you're not bored. There is no monotony in your weight loss journey. You enjoy each and every moment. That's why I come up with Zumba challenges, I come up with different exercises, yoga, everything blended together. So that's the most important thing. The combination of making your journey interesting is the really important to sustain it for a longer period of time. And that's what Meher did, and that's really very important when you want to get results. So yes, that was her journey, and I hope you will like this as well. I hope you enjoyed this video as well. And yes, I'll come up with more stories like this on my channel. And if you like this, and if you want to weight loss transformation or something like that, you can definitely check out my GT Fit courses. Yes, definitely I'll come up with new challenges here as well. So yes, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon along to never miss any update. And I love you all. Bye bye. Stay fit, stay happy. Bye.